Okay, now first you're going to want to open iTunes. Now after that, you are going to want to plug your USB port into your computer. Now, take your other end of your USB port and plug it into your iPod Touch. Now, as you can see, I'm pressing the corner where it says iPod. Now a list is going to come up, and you are going to want to press summary that it's on, and you're going to press Restore iPod. Are you sure you want to restore the iPod, Elliot's iPod Touch 4th generation 8GB to its factory settings? All of your media and other data will be erased. iTunes will verify the restore with Apple. After this process is complete, you will have the option to restore your contacts, calendars, text messages, and other settings. Now you're going to want to press Restore. Now it is going to show the Apple logo. And in this little bar right here, it is going to load.